Dora, my friend. Happy birthday. It's your golden ka na, natanda na. Wish you always good health. At alam ko naman na ikaw ay a person with a good heart. Stay as good as you are. And God bless. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Dora. I wish you good health and more blessings and enjoy your day. Hindi na tayo bumabata, so ingat-ingat lang sa ating mga kalusugan. Pag uwi mo dito sa Pilipinas, kita tayo. Again, happy birthday. I love you.
Hi Dora, I just want to greet you happy birthday. I'm wishing you all the best and God bless always.
Hi Dora, kumusta na? Kung kayo nauwi na din nang ako hindi pa mali-mali din nakailang ulit na din sa pagbibideo, hindi pa ako magkaintindihan. Kulit na kulit nitong si Claire at inaantay na daw yung aking video. Pero nais ko magpasalamat sa iyo at na ako'y nabigyan ng pagkakataon ng mga kabate sa pagdiriwang mo ng iyong karawan. Napakahalagang araw nito para sa iyong buhay. At kami bilang mga kaibigan mo ay natutuwa umaabot tayo sa ganitong mga edad, no? Muli, happy birthday. Salamat.
Happy birthday, Dora, batchmate, and have a blessed day.
Hi, Dora. Happy golden birthday. Ang wish ko lang sa'yo, sana laging good health, stay pretty. Sana see you soon. And I love you.
Hi Dora. Balita ko birthday mo daw. Oo nga. Kaya lang, pasensya na, hindi ako masyadong sanay bumati ng walang pansit at saka lumpiang Shanghai. Joke lang. Sa hindi po nakakaalam, si Dora po ay isa sa mga campus crush nung araw. Nung high school kami. Mahirap lang ligawan kasi ang tapang. Oh, seriously, wish you all the best. Good health and happiness for you and your family. Enjoy your day, and again, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Dora. More birthdays and blessings to come. Good health as well. Again, happy birthday and God bless you.
Happy birthday, Dora. Oh, ayun na yung gift ko sa'yo. Hope you like it. And sana natatandaan mo pa yung mga kaklase natin na yan nung high school. Ang bilis ng panahon, no? 50 ka na rin. Parang kailan lang, nung nag-aaral tayo sa St. Mary's, pag break time natin, lalabas tayo ng gate. Pero bago ka makalabas ng gate, sasabihin mo muna, Claire, tingnan mo muna kung nandiyan si Tatay Tito sa may police station. Kasi once na nandun si Tatay Tito, hindi na tayo makakalabas. Dahil diba, napakahigpit ni Tatay. Anyway, thank you for being my friend since high school. Di ka nakakalimot kahit malayo ka, nandyan ka to support me. At nagbibigay ng advice pag may mga konting mga problema. Alam mo na yon. And sana, and I wish ko pala sa'yo, magkaroon ka ng good health, wealth, happiness, and success in everything you do. And thank you for everything ulit. Miss na kita, my friend Dora. I love you.
Hi, Dora. I have written a book about you, but allow me to read just chapter 50 of it, entitled Amazing, Admirable, Resilient, Strong, and Fabulous Daughter. On your milestone birthday, here are a few of my wishes for you. May you celebrate all the incredible achievements that have shaped you into a remarkable woman you are today. Here's to the next 50 years and more being just full of growth, adventure, and happiness. May your day be as amazing as you are. Your strength and resilience are truly admirable. Here's to the wonderful woman, more strength and courage in the years ahead. Your kindness and generosity have touched so many lives, especially mine. May your day and the days ahead be filled with love, laughter, and all the things that bring you joy. You deserve to celebrate this day to the fullest. Have a blessed, blissful, healthful, wealthful, and wonderful day. Well, Nene, me here, you're there. That's not fair, but you'll still have an amazing day because it's a celebration of an amazing you. Therefore, enjoy, have fun, but relax, okay? Anyway, you and I will definitely celebrate next time we're together. But meanwhile, I'm celebrating you today by thinking of how amazing, resilient, and strong woman you are. In conclusion of chapter 50, here's a birthday blessing for you. May God make each day of your life as beautiful and as golden as you are. May the Almighty God grant you more years of happiness and good health. And may God always provide you the most precious thing in life, namely health, love, joy, peace, and prosperity. God bless you. And you know I love you. I love you, Dora. Happy, happy, happy birthday. Good night, everyone. Have fun. Enjoy. Okay. Bye-bye. God bless you all.
Hi po, Tita Dora.
Hello, Ninang Dora.
Hi, Dora. Happy 50th birthday. Enjoy your day. Regards to Popoy and Aaron. We love you. God bless.
Happy birthday.
Happiest birthday, favorite. I hope to see you soon. Thank you for the love and to all those happy video calls. Stay young and gorgeous. Enjoy your day. Love you.
Happy birthday, Tita Dora. Wishing you a wonderful day and may God bless you always. Take care and see you soon.
Happy birthday, Auntie! Hope your day is as marvelous as you are.
Happy birthday, Tita Dora. We love you.
Hi, Dars. Happy birthday. Sana naman maging masaya sa birthday, maging malusog ang katawan kasama ng pamilya, si Popoy, si Aaron, at tawag, God bless sa iyo. Alam ko namang mahal mo kami. Yeah, mahal na mahal din kita.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Dora. Ganun lang.
Happy birthday, Dora. Thank you sa lahat. Sana maging masaya ka sa 50th birthday mo. Wish you all the best. And regards to Popoy and Aaron.
Hello, Ninang Dora. Happy birthday. Sana mag-enjoy kayo sa birthday nyo. At lagi kayong mag-iingat. Salamat sa lahat-lahat. We love you.
Happy birthday, Tita Dora. We love you.
Happy birthday, Tita Dora.
Happy birthday po.
We love you.
Happy birthday, Tita Dora.
More birthdays to come po. Enjoy your day. Ingat
Thank
po
you po
palagi.
sa lahat.
Thank you po sa lahat.
Sending love from Qatar.
Ingat po.
Hi, Ninang Dora. I really wish I could be there during your special day. Of course, to spend it with you and to bond with everyone else. I know everybody's looking forward as well to me going there to Oregon, especially Aaron. Hi, Aaron. And whatever happens, I would like to greet you a happy birthday. May this year bring you good health, happiness, and all that your heart desires. I hope that I could see you soon. Love you.
Happy birthday, Bilog! We love you!
Hi, Dora, from Royal Caribbean Navigator of the Seas. In behalf of the dining room staff, we wish you a happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Dora!
Hi Dora, happy birthday. Kumusta na ang aking pinakamabait at pinakamasipag na inaanak? Sana nandiyan ako, kaya lang napaka-busy dito sa Pilipinas. Kaya hope na masaya din yung birthday mo at lahat kayo ay nasa mabuting kalagayan at good health. Happy birthday again.
Hi Auntie, greetings from Georgia. I'm sending this message to wish you a happy 50th birthday. You're 50 years young. That's awesome. Aisha and I feel very spoiled and very loved by you all the time. You know, you're Aisha's ninong, so sometimes it definitely feels like you're my ninong too. Aisha and I love you very much. I hope you enjoy the Valentino bag that we got you. Have a wonderful birthday, and I hope to see you all soon at Christmas. Bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Dora. We love you.
Hi Dora, happy birthday. Happy 50th birthday.
Hi Dora, happy birthday and more birthdays to come. Regards sa mag-ama. Bye-bye.
Kumusta sa inyong lahat? Happy birthday din daw from my children, Kent, Jason, at sa apo ko si Atina at kay Yupa. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Bilog. I wish you good health, most of all, and all the best of luck, today and for always. We love you, Bilog. Happy birthday. Mwah.
Happy birthday, Tita Dora. We love you.
Hi, Ninang Dora. Happy 50th birthday. Wish ko sana maging healthy ka palagi, tsaka alagaan mo yung sarili mo. Wish ko din sana magkita tayo soon. Dahil hindi ako nakarating sa birthday mo, kaya kakantahan na lang kita. Kaya para sa'yo to, love you.
I'm trying so hard to find sweet serenity. I'm still afraid
It's not so hard to see that I'm just a man. 'Cause time won't flow, everyone knows. When the pain fades away, dreams won't die, tears in our eyes. You've got to hold your head up high. Hold your head up Hold your head up high.
Hello, Nene. Happy birthday. Love you.